Hello everyone, I am Jabar. I'm in second grade. I will introduce you what I like to do my homeschool in Wolsey Hall Oxford. I love the Wolsey because I do my lessons whenever I want. I don't get up early. I can do my lessons lying down. I can travel when I want and do my lessons when I want. I like to do science because I get acquainted with animals, plants. The most important thing is we teach how to experiment, we teach to create ourselves, we teach how to live and other living creatures. If you want to be a creator or be able to show your skills, choose Wolsey.